Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem got Latin. This is a very straightforward problem of a string, just handling with the string. So in this problem, a sentence S is given and composed of a word separated by space. Each word consists of lowercase and uppercase letters only. We would like to convert the sentence to got Latin language, which is similar to as a Pig Latin. I don't know what is this language, but the rules are given here. So the rules of got Latin language as follows: if a word is starts with the vowel characters like small a e i o u or capital O a e i o u, then we need to append ma to the end of that word. For example, the word apple becomes apple ma. Second point is, if a word begins with consonants which is not the vowel, in that case we need to remove the first character and append that character into the end of the word. Then after that we need to append ma. So for example, here got is this, so this got is g is not the vowel, so we need to move this g from here to the end of this word. So this will become oatg. Then we need to append ma in every case, so this will become oatgma. And add one letter a to the end of each word per its word index in the sentence starting with 1. So what does it mean? Like if we are processing first word, we will add 1a. If we are processing second word, we will add 2a, and so on. We will add like that. So let's understand this example over here. So for this example, we have let it make a comment section here. So this example we have. So if we see the first word, this word is started with is a vowel. So we can add this ma into this, and there is another a we need to add because this is the first word. So we will add 1a. After that, for this word, so this word is not start with the vowel character. So we will take this word and first we will move the first character into the end. So this will become like peaks, and then we have to add ma as usual, and then we need to add the number of a's based on its word index. So this is on second, so we need to add 2a here. So this is how we created. We moved the first character here, and then we added the ma, then we added 2a for this. So this is we created second word into the got Latin language. Same for the got, this will become oatg. Then we need to add ma plus the number of a's. This is word is on the third number, so 3a, like this. Similarly for Latin, this will become latin l ma plus a 4 times. So this is how this will become. So how we will solve this? So let's start directly jump on implementation. I will explain. So first of all, we will keep track the suffix which is a, count of a. So we will create a string. So let it call a suffix which is initialized with like right now empty string, and this is the. Now we will create another variable from the string builder where we will build our string, the result string. Let it call sv, initialize it with from the string builder class. So now once we done, so we will create all the words using the splitting the current words. So this will be string words, so array of word strings which will be as dot split based on the space. So once we done with this, we will iterate here for each word string word in words, and then we will check if a e I o u like capital vowels letters or small a e i o u index of, if this contains index of the word dot char at first letter, the first character index is less than 0, which is not vowel, then we will update our word will be word dot substring from the line 1 and plus the first character in the end of that word. So this will become word dot char at 0. So we first change the word in case of if it is non vowel, then we will just simply append in the string builder like first word, then we will append the ma string ma, then we will also append suffix. So, the suffix of a, after that we will also append this space in the end. So, here before this we also update our suffix by adding the a into it. So, this is how every time we will add extra a. So, this will be built initially. First we added first a for first word, then second a, this will come 2a and so on. Once it done, in the end we just convert this string builder to string, and then we also need to trim the last space. There is a extra space in the end of this loop we will add. So, we will trim that space from here by using the string.trim method. Let us compile this code. So, there is the index, oh, it should be not index of, this method is in string. We have index of to check whether this character present in some string or not. So, we are getting correct. So, let us submit this code and it is accepted. So, that is it. Thanks you. If you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.